fine. All the way
Okay.
around, yeah.
Okay.
It'll shift more aggressively for you and downshift more aggressively.
So this has traction control,
Yes.
stabilization, so
Yes.
rollover, and all that good stuff. So it's up in
I think it's probably possible for anything.
Should I try?
there. No, you don't have to. Actually, physically,
Yeah.
Well, I'm being more aggressive now because I learned on the last one.
Drive.
No, it's not. Give me a break.
You can go right through these stop signs
No,
if you
no,
want.
stop.
Okay.
Whoa, that was the ABS kicking in.
That's the way she normally drives.
So, yeah.
That's how my car ABS works.
So,
Okay, remember to floor it halfway through the corner.
Halfway through the corner?
Yeah.
Like right
or
around here?
apply the throttle. Feed on to feed it in, feed it in.
Apply and
feed it in.
squeeze.
Wow.
Is that on the floor?
No.
Oh, okay.
I stopped too soon for you, Kelly. Sorry.
That's okay.
This handles nice. I have a Jetta right
Okay.
now, a Jetta wagon,
Okay.
but it's 2003, so a little bit different.
Okay.
But this is nice. Which spot am I going to?
3.
3?
Just the other side of the GTI.
Okay. Kelly, you gonna try it?
Sure, if you let me.
Want to trade?
Sorry.
I'll leave it running for you this time.